Morning sun is shining. Mom said, Bittu, wake up. It's time to brush your teeth. Then Bittu said, just 5 more minutes. Mom brings a chat with a smiley face list. Mom said, let's try something fun. Every good habit gets a star, Bittu. Then Bittu said, yay, I want stars. Bittu starts following good habits. Bittu brushed his teeth every morning. He also ate his food without wasting. He kept his surroundings clean too. Good habits made Bittu a star boy. Each time, Mom gives a star on the chat. Mom said, you are becoming a star boy. After 1 week, the chat is full. Bittu said, look mom, I got so many stars. Then his mom said, that's because you followed good habits every day. Bittu smiles proudly and shows the badge to his father and said, Dad, look, I got a badge. So kids, let's all be like Bittu, kind, respectful and helpful. Good habits make us shine brighter every day. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.